Mga mi, honestly, hindi mo talaga kailangan gumamit ng foundation brush pag ginawa mo yung foundation mo kasi aaksahin mo lang yung produkto mo. On the other hand, pag gumamit ka rin ng sponge, kakainin lang din ng sponge yung foundation mo. So ngayon nga, ituturo ko sa inyo on how you can actually apply your foundation na hindi naman kailangan ng brush or ng sponge. And at the same time, ito nga, may nagtanong si Ate Marietta. Sabi ni Ate Marietta, can you recommend a foundation that works with mature skin, na combination skin? So yan, ituturo ko rin sa inyo ngayon. So I used to work for NARS, and alam mo maganda sa NARS, we never use a foundation brush. Yun ang turo sa amin. And at the same time, hindi rin sila nagbebenta ng foundation brush. So even if you go to the website, makita mo, wala kaming binibentang foundation brush doon, as if I still work for them. So ang gagawin natin, first, ito nga, hindi mo din kailangan ng primer as long as you actually hydrate your skin. So ito, 1 pump lang ng moisturizer natin. Ayan, this is the Josie Maran Get Even Sun Milk. Ang maganda sa moisturizer na to is it really hydrates the skin. It has SPF 30. And the good thing about putting on a moisturizer is that right before your foundation is this actually serves as the kutsyon, o diba? Before your foundation, o diba mga mi? Ganyan lang siya. Tapos may sunscreen na rin siya. And if you use the right moisturizer mga mi, hindi mo na rin talaga kailangan gumamit ng primer, maniwala ka sa akin. Ayan, tingnan mo, ang ganda. Diba? Pagkatapos niyan, ito na yung foundation natin. This is the e.l.f. Soft Glam Satin Foundation. And ang maganda dito sa foundation na to is, hindi mo kailangan gumamit ng marami. And what I do, I will actually apply my foundation while my moisturizer is still wet on the skin. And I work in sections. Tingnan mo, konti lang yan. And that's already good for our whole forehead. This one also has hibiscus extract. And hibiscus extract is actually known to hydrate the skin. Tingnan mo sis, ang ganda. And apply it while your moisturizer is still wet on the skin. Tingnan mo sis. Look at that. It really looks like skin. Tapos tingnan mo, lagyan natin ulit sa kabila. Ganyan lang, as in konting-konti lang. Tingnan mo sis. Ang ganda. Talagang it really gives you a good coverage. Tapos yung coverage niya, especially if you have matured skin, tingnan mo sis. Tamang-tama lang. Hindi yung parang nakamaskara ka ng makeup. Tingnan mo sis. Ang ganda. As in, it looks like it's your own natural skin. Parang hybrid siya ng foundation at saka ng BB cream, but it lasts longer than a BB cream. Ngayon naman, ilagay natin mo sa kabila. Tapos yan. Again, bakit mo kailangang i-apply while the moisturizer is still wet on the skin? Kasi nga yung moisturizer mo acts like your Spanx before your makeup, di ba? Ayan. Tapos apply it while your moisturizer again is still wet on the skin. Tingnan mo sis. It's so perfect. Ganyan lang siya. Tapos lagyan mo natin ng konti dito sa may baba natin. Tapos dito din sa above our lip. Tingnan sis, ang ganda. Real time, walang ka-edit-edit. Pero tingnan mo kung gaano kaganda yung foundation. Diba? Tapos sa Lazada, actually, ano lang to 725 pesos. Tapos sa States, it's $9. So very affordable siya. So ngayon, I actually have dry skin. Most of the time, I don't really set my makeup with powder. But if you do, let's say kung gusto mo, ayan, kung nagmamadali ka, you can just set a little bit under your eye. Pero usually yung face, hindi ko na siya sinaset ng powder. So ganun lang siya kadali. Just apply a very small amount of your moisturizer and then apply the foundation while your moisturizer is still wet on the skin. And that's it. And yung powder, bahala ka na kung gusto mong mag-apply ng powder after. I hope this helped.